So we're working on the batteries. We're swapping out these old normal 12-volt marine batteries, and we got two Renogy lithium batteries, so we're going to upgrade those. We took them out of the small boat just for the winter while we're working on Kaizen. We're going to try them out and try to see if the boat starts. Seem to turn over a little bit with these old batteries with the charger on them, but the batteries, even the posts are loose. You can see here, if you can see it, I don't know, but, I mean, this post is moving right inside the battery, so they're not in good shape. Casey's up above sanding right now, so we're making some progress. I don't know if you remember before, but I know it's loud. But the top, we've sanded all the non-skid, we've taken off the grab rails, and we've got the top of the house primed. Casey's working on some of the tow rail and the rub rail, sanding down the wood. And we put a first coat of varnish on a few things just to seal it so it doesn't continue to get dirty. Well, as you can see, there's a lot of room left now, because the batteries are considerably smaller, but the problem is the traditional batteries have a post, and these need a screw-in adapter, so I've got to put new ends on, I've got to put, oops, can't see anything, got to put new ends on all of the battery cables. So we took out the old lead acid batteries, and we kind of cobbed together a way to connect the lithium batteries, because we had to get new ends for them, but Amazon, still have to wait 2 days. But we're going to try to start the boat with the lithium batteries to see if it turns over.
Okay. You can cut out all this walking that I'm doing right now. Okay. Alrighty. Everybody listen up.
The boat's been sitting for 7 years.
Okay.
But the people who had it took really good care of it before they winterized it, so we're hopeful. All right.
Okay, hold on.
Hit the preheat.
All right, so I have to hit the preheat down here for a couple seconds, and then I hit the start button. So, hold on a second. Let's see if you can see this. The throttle is in the middle. So you want it on slow?
No, it's on. Just a little bit.
There.
Good, there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's... Woo! Look at that!
Pull it back a little bit. A little bit more.
I just heard something hit the wall back there.
That's good. Kill it.
Kill it?
Kill it.
High five! Peter, I just heard something hit the wall.
What?
Back there, like a...
It's probably, I would guess it's spitting out whatever antifreeze they had winterized it with.
Okay.
The pump would have just spit it out, I hope.
Okay, let's see if what I heard is actually there.
And if it's even worse, then it's the propeller just spun off of us.
Oh no, that's definitely wet. Holy crap. Wow! What is that?
Where?
Look at the floor. Did you see it?
Oh yeah, no,
It went...
that's the exhaust. It was just kicking out whatever water slash, I mean, it must be antifreeze if it's been winterized all this time. Yeah, right here. See, here's the exhaust pipe.
Okay, that's the exhaust pipe. Under
Oh
there.
yeah, you can still see it dripping.
Okay.
So.
We're going places.
Here's the first section of sealer slash varnish on the rub rail and tow rail. So you can see that versus that. So we're trying to sand it a little bit at a time and seal it. And then when we're further in, we'll do like whole sections at a time when we get to the second and third coat. But it's starting to look promising.